Soon you will see the power of William James airbending make a tornado.
I'm gonna do some airbending and make a tornado. Airbending tornado control! I'm the Avatar.
Now you have seen the truth. Be afraid. Be very afraid.